In the Loop project, students take their first steps into music production by editing and arranging audio loops of different instruments. They get an insight into the various layers or tracks that make up a piece of music and also understand the basic functions of a DAW or digital audio workstation. The final outcome is a loop-based piece of original music created entirely by the students themselves. The second project of the year is a MIDI project, in which students learn how to record basic drum grooves, bass lines, melodies, and chords using different instruments available in the instrument library. Using this knowledge, they create a MIDI version of a popular song in this project. After having learned the basics of recording MIDI, sound production students create original music using software instruments, loops and samples, and other DAW-based processing techniques. The final outcome is a piece of music composed entirely by the students in an assigned song structure. In the voiceover project, students learn how to record spoken word using a one-mic recording setup. They understand how to achieve clean and professional sounding recordings along with some post-production techniques.
Grey shirt, a red tie, a grey flannel blazer with the blue school crest on the breast pocket, and a grey school cap with the same crest just above the peak. Into the taxi that was taking us to the docks went my brand new trunk and my brand new tug box, and both had R Dal painted on them in black.
In the remix project, sound production students create a new version of an existing song. They do this by manipulating a vocal a cappella audio using different effects-based processing. They also add their own instrumentation to the song using software-based instruments and samples. Here is a remix of the popular song Yellow by Coldplay.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along.
Apart from curriculum-based projects, students also engage in recording their own songs at the studio at SNS. Here is an original song written and composed entirely by two sound production students.
And definitely don't forget that metal still rusts, my friend. You can make it to the end, and you shouldn't take it to your heart. You've had this bad.